Good afternoon, Ms. Racine. This is going to be my presentation by me, Kyle Cooper, and the presentation is called Algebra in the Real World. The first slide is, what is algebra? The dictionary documentation of the word of this word is the part of the mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formula and equations. Algebra can also be a form of theory, geometry, and analysis. Algebra is also the study of mathematical symbols, and the rules for manipulating these symbols is a unifying thread of almost all of mathematics. My next slide is the importance of algebra in the real world. Well, if you take the time and think about how algebra is used in the real world, you will find out that there is a lot of different ways, because the numbers and equations gifted by algebra are frequently used in almost everywhere in this world. Take, for example, you are out grocery shopping. Now, the addition and subtraction are the only sources to help you keep yourself budgeted with the items in the cart. Algebra is used every day, all the time. It's used in problem-solving situations, when you are trying to determine how long it will take you to get from home to your friend's house. Let's take a look at an example. You live 5 miles from your friend's home. There are many more different ways let's take this for example. If you live 5 miles away from your friend's home, this can be algebra as well. There are many more different ways algebra is used. This is the lasting impact of algebra in the real world. Algebra is a very, very important life skill worth understanding well. It moves us beyond basic math and prepares us for statistics and calculus. Algebra is useful around the house and in analyzing information in the news. It also reinforces logical thinking, and it is beautiful. Algebra will leave a lasting impact on the real world, because it will always be taught in schools as well as offices, and it also will be taught around the world. This is why algebra is used in the real world. In conclusion, algebra is very important to the real world and real world situations because it is used almost every day of our lives, whether we know it or not. It's also one of the most important things that we will learn in school, and it should not be taken for granted, as we will need it in life as adults later on, as I just explained in the real world. My research links for this project is on the last slide, which you will see, but I'll just read them out for you. My first resource link that I used to create this project is demylearning.com. Another one is jester.org. Another one is zavaria.com. Another one is studiesguides.com. Another one is www.practicemath.com and mathworksheetcenter.com. So that's where I got all my information from. This is my video presentation on all of the slides. I hope you like that. I hope you have a good afternoon or good morning. Ms. Racine, thank you for listening.